Welcome back to the Rope Access channel. I've released 3 videos on how to tie ropes together, but I got another one. It's a good one. This one, the 4th method of tying ropes together, it's so simple. Somebody else told me a different version of this and then I got to thinking, yeah, but we could also do it like this. This is the knot that we learn at the moment we find a damaged spot in the rope and we want to isolate it. The butterfly knot. You can use the butterfly knot as well to tie ropes together. So I got 2 ropes here in this bag, different color, red and white. Find the ends. This is the Courant Ultima, really subtle rope here. Usually I would have my rope somewhere in the middle and I tie my butterfly in it, like so. Easy and straightforward. What if I take the ends, and this would normally be the damaged part. Take the ends, I do my 1 twist and my 2 twists, go in between, get the 2 loose ends and stick these through. Now before I finish it, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to always be notified of a new video upload. Let's stay connected. Talking about staying connected, I've opened up the Patreon level 1 tier publicly for a subscription, which means that if you watch this video with your cup of coffee, you buy me a cup of coffee as an appreciation for the information you're getting. All right, let's finish this through here. Now I dress it. Such nice rope. And I set it. And I have a butterfly knot with 2 different ropes. I did this on a job recently and the tactite had to go down. He said, no, I'm not going down there because it's not connected. That's a funny way of thinking about it, right? We learned this knot to isolate a damaged part. And as long as this is 10 centimeters, or a little bit longer in this case, as long as this is 10 centimeters, this will never slip through the knot on the normal use case scenarios. So I explained it to him. This is what you learn, how to isolate a damaged part in the rope, and you're perfectly fine with that. So he was quite hesitant with that, but he did it in the end. Another thing you could do, you can actually tie an overhand knot. If that makes you feel more comfortable that the ends are joined together. Another solution would be to tie a double fisherman's here, but it's a bit short for that. Maybe. One. And I can never get it right the first time, man. Here we go. And 2. So the ends are a bit short, but you will get the idea. So now, bomb-proof connection, the basic method we learn in the level 1 course, how to tie ropes together, double fisherman's knot, but it's impossible to get out after proper loading. So we tie a butterfly because that will always get out. So these are actually 3 for 1. I was going into the butterfly knot, but overhand or this as well. All good methods. Pretty short and sweet video. We'll leave it at that. Stay connected.